Want to eat? Come on. Oh my god.
There's a new trend among Great Dane owners. Land surfing. Sounds like fun, doesn't it?
Who is that?
When you've got a noisy neighbor, even dogs can't resist a little gossip over the fence.
Got her. Got her. You're not gonna hit anything.
Hey, I've just licked the fur clean.
Ruru, do you want to give me your paw?
Just a little bit, but thank you.
Okay, is that better? Are you happy now?
Dogs even mark their owners to show ownership. Wait till the end and you'll see.
How are you?
Just because she's big doesn't mean she's okay with growing up. Is it me, or is your deadline more important?
You're being rude.
Hey, who put that there? We need to talk about personal space. Emergency! Thieves are on the loose. The leader has a big body, sleek fur, and is irresistibly cute.
Bye.
It's right here.
This dog's still running an old OS. I guess we need to upgrade his software.
Good job.
If you have Dane dogs, forget about gates working. Big body doesn't always mean big brain. You'll get it when you see this.
Drama.
For dog owners, weekends are just like weekdays because their pups take charge of the snooze duty. He still thinks he's a lap dog, even as he keeps growing every month. Whenever my crush is near, this is how I seize the opportunity. As you can see, I always fail.
What do you have? Why do you have my cell phone? Drop it. Drop it.
Age or size are just numbers. They can't trump the soul's true age. When you practice yoga for too long and it becomes a habit,
What did you guys do? What did you do?
we've just had to do a hair makeover.
No! No! You guys!
Others see his strength, but family see the real him, inside and out. Hey, wanna crash our drama party? I'd show you this to illustrate what a stubborn person is.
Move your nose. I will be right back. I'll be right back. Move your nose.
Check the dog's background before adopting, in case he comes out of a cartoon. Hey, it's just one night of me lying on your bed. Please breathe. I'm like this guy, always making things complicated, you know? The secret to having a jawline is to look ugly for a few minutes daily. How someone drinks tells you a ton about them. Any guesses on this pup's personality? He can manage being extroverted any second, but being introverted for a few is tough for him.
Mit csináltál? Mi folyik itt?
The Voice America needs this talented guy. Watch out for love scammers. Bye.